Strength in unity. In the heart of the ocean, where the waves meet the sky, lies a unique world where strength is not just a product of individual prowess, but a magnificent tapestry woven together by teamwork and mentorship. On board this ship, a microcosm of society thrives. Here, every crew member brings a unique skill set that, combined with the strengths of their peers, forms an unbreakable bond. Each task, be it hoisting sails or navigating through stormy seas, is a testament to the magic of collaboration. But strength in unity is more than just working side by side. It's about mentorship, passing down knowledge, sharing experiences, and nurturing the next generation. In these moments, wisdom is transformed into tangible skills. Mentorship at sea encompasses not just technical skills, but also imparting resilience, teaching the crew how to adapt, face challenges, and flourish in adverse conditions. Here, failures become stepping stones, and triumphs are celebrated together.
All hands. We are going to test the general alarm.
Through challenges, new leaders emerge, friendships blossom, and the power of mentorship transforms individual strengths into a cohesive unit. Each person's contribution is valued, creating a culture of success. It is in these challenging moments that the power of teamwork truly reveals itself. Each hand on deck matters, every voice contributes to the strategy. This is how they conquer the sea. When we stand together, we harness the true strength within ourselves. In the vast expanse of the ocean, let us remember that our greatest power lies in unity. With every journey, they learn that unity is not just about working together, it's about lifting each other up, sharing knowledge, and fostering an environment where everyone can thrive. At sea, they are not just a crew, they are a testament to the power of teamwork and the enduring impact of mentorship.